For us specifically, when we're interviewing someone, we have that first interview of just the getting to know, looking at the resume, talking things through, talking about what their ambitions are, expectations. I like to bring them into the kitchen and have a hands-on experience, and it's usually a pretty simple. I have an onion, a lemon, and a cantaloupe, and I ask them to dice the onion, segment the lemon, and then peel the cantaloupe. And it's interesting to see what order people do things. Do they sanitize their board in between? Does your cantaloupe now taste like an onion because you did the onion first, and things like that. But my favorite one is to, if they pass that kind of quick fire little challenge, is to have them make me a sandwich. And as simple as grilled cheese or tuna melt, whatever, a burger. It really kind of, you can see a lot to see if someone's actually been in the kitchen, how they conduct themselves with the rest of the associates. Are they clean? Can they get that food up on time whenever you're asking for it? But it's kind of as simple as a sandwich is. You would be surprised at how many people kind of overthink it. I've hired Escoffier students in the past because I've noticed a different work ethic that they possess that maybe some other culinary students don't. It was very consistent, hardworking, positive attitudes. When you're interviewing someone, you're really looking for that connection, that high energy level, someone that's really into getting their foot in the door. I think that goes a lot more than maybe sometimes what's on the piece of paper. Just that energy level is really what we're looking for.